it's Sandy, and in today's nail video, I'll be sharing 5 quick and easy steps to having perfect looking cuticles. So let's begin. Step number 1, soaking your nails. To start the transformation of your cuticles, you'll need to soak your fingers in warm soapy water for just a few minutes. This will help to clean them and also soften the skin you'll be working on. Pushing back dry cuticles can be painful, so we want to avoid that. Once your cuticles have softened up, we're going to remove the excess skin on them. Some people have more excess cuticle growth than others. It's all in genetics. However, when you remove this, you will want to use a gel that helps gently dissolve the dead overgrowth. Guys, avoid cutting your cuticles, as that can be dangerous if you cut too far and lead to an infection. So just add cuticle remover gel over your cuticles and wait 15 seconds. The next step is pushing back your cuticles. Using a wooden manicure stick or a plastic cuticle pusher, gently push back your cuticles. You can also move the stick around in little circles to help remove the little bits of dead skin that the gel helped dissolve. Then rinse off your hands in warm soapy water. Step 4, removing hangnails. If you have any hangnails, you can remove them using a hangnail remover tool like this one. I'll link the tools all below in the description box if you'd like to check them out. Carefully slide the hangnail between the 2 metal pieces and your hangnail will instantly be removed. Step 5, keeping those cuticles moisturized. I love to apply Burt's Bees cuticle cream to mine, as you guys know. It's a natural way to keep your cuticles moisturized and your nails from breaking. Cuticle creams will help create a barrier of moisture that protects your nails from dry air for a longer period of time than oils. If you don't have any special cuticle cream, you can always just use Vaseline. This will also do a great job of sealing in the moisture. And finally, now that your cuticles look so incredible, you might just want to take the next step and paint your nails. Here, I'm starting a French manicure. Once you have your base color applied, you can create a very thin line between the polish and your cuticles by using nail polish remover and a tiny paintbrush. This will help frame your beautiful new cuticles. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you'd like to see more nail tutorials, then click the info card in the top right corner. Take care, and I'll see you next time!